We are seeing a return to consumer spending faster than we would have thought. And I've spoken frankly to frontline dealers of our automotive and tractor products. And they themselves have said that we have been very pleasantly surprised by how people have transited to this new normal, as the finance minister called it. So I was surprised, and I think most people will be pleasantly surprised.
The growth path for India, what is your assessment for the way forward for India?
I have this disease of terminal optimism, unfortunately. So I am optimistic, and I've come out on record as saying that I think the economy is returning to a growth path much faster than people imagine. Clearly, these are sectoral issues. There will be some sectors and segments which will have a greater challenge in getting back to the growth path that they were on. But by and large, companies in the organized sector, companies that are transparent, are actually benefiting from this change, and we are seeing a return to retail consumer buying.
We're at the cusp of presidency for Donald Trump. What is it that you really see for India with the new leadership at the helm of the world's biggest economy, US?
Donald Trump, everybody's trying to decipher what he is going to do and what his policies are. It's almost like you need a Da Vinci Code to sort of decipher what his intentions will be. Right now, I follow his Twitter account with great eagerness. I wake up every morning saying, now let me see what President-elect Trump has said. And it's always very interesting. But I don't think one can glean what his policy issues will be like. From what I've talked to with the American businessmen who are here, what I've learned from them is that they all believe that ultimately he will do the right thing. What is the right thing? That depends on who's advising him. And they still seem optimistic that he will surround himself with advisors with experience and who will make him follow a path that may not be as, let's call it, unpredictable as he is right now.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.